One of the benefits about having a clear aligner for a lot of patients is, compared to the metal braces, is they're much more invisible. People don't notice them as much. They don't notice that you're wearing braces nearly as much. They're removable, and so that you can take them out while you're eating. And then another great benefit to them is you don't have to come to the dental office as much. We have a mail-in option that allows us to mail those trays directly to your office or your home, and that way you can take those trays and put them in yourself, and we can just monitor you periodically instead of on such a continuous basis as traditional braces. What we do is we'll scan your teeth instead of using impression material, and that way you don't have to worry about gagging, you don't have to worry about that nasty taste. It's just a quick picture of all your teeth. And then what we do is we can create clear aligners that we can give to you every few weeks that'll straighten your teeth, and it can take anywhere between a few months to maybe 6 months to a year to really straighten up your teeth. But what we'll do is every couple weeks we'll just send you some new trays, evaluate you periodically, and make sure that your teeth are straightening in a nice way. For those patients who are looking to straighten their teeth or close gaps without really being noticed by other people, and they want an aesthetic option, clear aligners a great way to do that.